Players must keep tagging each other by stepping on the tile in front of the player they want to tag, then said player will be sent to the middle and must tag somebody else in under 5 seconds. They keep going until the 35 seconds timer is up and whoever is left in the middle will be eliminated from the round. Last person surviving wins. The wiring is split into 3 sections. Section 1. There was supposed to be a spike trap blockade here. Sorry. Here are the dimensions of the first section. Place a red stone linkz in the middle. Place the 16 black stone linkz 4 pixels away from the red stone in a circle formation. Place the 16 green stone linkz 2 pixels behind each black stone linkz. Now place a spike trap blockade between each green linkz to ensure your players don't move mid-game. Place another one in the top corner for blocking and unblocking the entrance. Add a 16-wire output splitter and 4-wire input hub next to it. Add a 16-wire input hub and a lever for opening/closing the entrance. Section 2. Place a red switch tile in the middle with a 4-wire repeater next to it. Place 16 of the green floor tile switch 4 pixels away from the red tile in a circular formation. Add a stopwatch timer, a 16-wire output splitter, and an encoder. Add 2 buzzers, one colored red and the other colored green. Section 3. Add 81 fire trap blockades in a 9x9 square. Place 16 more fire trap blockades around the square in a circular formation. Make sure they place the same exact position as mine. Add a holographic timer and a buzzer colored yellow. Now, we can begin wiring. Every linkz has this door icon that allows you to manually set its location. It has the ability to connect to linkz that are placed in a different unit. Because of this, it sometimes glitches and doesn't load right away. You may need to restart a couple times. Open Set Destination option and find the unit you are currently in. Select the red linkz in the middle. Set the destination for every green linkz to the red one in the middle. Open wiring mode. Now we're going to connect every black linkz to the green linkz behind it through wires. Start by selecting the linkz output from the black linkz. Connect it to the linkz input from the green linkz. Now repeat the same process for the rest of the black linkz. Remember, black linkz goes to the green linkz behind it. Next, we're going to wire the 16-wire output splitter. Select power output A and connect it to the black linkz. When connecting to the black linkz, make sure to select power input A. Do not select linkz. Keep connecting the 16 output splitter to every black linkz power input A. Pro tip: if you're on PC, press and hold down Ctrl to connect them faster. Turn on Show Only Selected Wires option if you don't want to see the wires piling up. Connect the 4-wire input hub to the 16-wire output splitter next to it. Move the 4-wire input hub to the side. Connect the green linkz power output A to the 16-wire input hub. Now repeat the same process for all green linkz power output A. Connect the lever to all spike trap blockades. Hold Shift down if you're on PC, double tap if you're on app, and connect them all together in a chain. You know you did it correctly if every time you pull the lever the blockades open. Change the green buzzer's duration to 2 seconds. Connect the 16-wire input hub to the green buzzer's start input. Connect the active output from the green buzzer to the 4-input hub wire. Change the stopwatch timer duration to 35 seconds. Wire the active output from the timer to the 16 output splitter next to it. Start connecting outputs from the 16-wire splitter to every green switch tile. During this part, I held down Control on my keyboard to speed up the wiring. Connect the red switch tile in the middle to the 4-wire repeater next to it. Connect the first output to the red buzzer and select the start input. Set the red buzzer's duration to 2 seconds. Connect the active output from the red buzzer to the 4-wire input hub. Connect the 4-wire repeater's output B to the holographic timer and select Reset. Again, connect the 4-wire repeater's output C to the holographic timer and select Start. Lastly, connect the power output D to the encoder's input A. Important: make sure your encoder's data is set to 1. Connect the encoder's output A to the stopwatch timer's increase input. Set the holographic timer's duration to 5 seconds. This is to prevent players from stalling more than 5 seconds. You can adjust this to your preference as a host. Now connect the complete output from the timer to the yellow buzzer's start input. Set the yellow buzzer's duration to 1 second. And finally, connect the yellow buzzer's active output to all the fire trap blockades. Hold Shift down if you're on PC and connect them all together. Move every green switch tile in front of its corresponding green linkz. Move the red switch tile on top of the red linkz in the middle. Now we're gonna connect the green switch tile to the linkz in front of it, selecting power input A. Repeat the same process for all green switch tiles and the green linkz in front of them. Now place the green switch tiles on top of the corresponding black links. Move the fire trap blockades directly in the middle. Make sure to align them with the green switch tiles. And lastly, reshape the unit like so. Now you're done. Thank you for watching. Credits are appreciated.